Hi, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In today's video, we will discuss a very essential and easy feature in Photoshop. We discuss about layer via copy and layer via cut. So let's begin. Layer via copy and layer via cut are two very simple shortcuts of creating a copy or cut for your selection. So once you have selected any selection in your layer, you can just do layer via copy to copy that selection on a new layer. Same way with layer via cut. If you want to cut out a selection and copy that selection on a new layer, you can just do that by clicking at layer via cut. So let's dive into Photoshop and understand how to use layer via copy and layer via cut. Layer via cut is an amazing option to copy the selection on a new layer without affecting the original layer. So in my previous tutorials we did selections. Let me quickly select use this magic wand tool to quickly select. So this helps selection because this is a contrast. So magic wand will take the common colors and make a selection out of it. So basically it selected the white area outside, but I actually want to select this man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Control Shift I, that inverses my selection, and I want its copy outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to layer, or just right click and say layer via copy. So on this new image I have the copy. So it just so much eases my job of copying and pasting. By just one click I can have the selection copied onto a new layer. So what does layer via cut does? Let me undo what I just did and go back to my layer. I have my selection, but this time I will do layer via cut, and it brings it on a new layer, but also cuts this. So let me hide this. It cuts this from the way it was, from the place where it was. So basically layer by copy will just copy in a new layer and will not affect the original layer. But layer by cut copies the selection on a new layer but cuts the selection from the original layer. So it's a super awesome way of using selections and copying it on a separate layer.